Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take Clay's engine and hopefully get it back in his truck. Alright, so we gotta go ahead and load the engine up in his truck. Had to move the old Buick out of the way so we can have room there. Alright, let's see what they got done to the Hudson here. Got the engine out. Got the trans out too. Got the trans and the engine out.
He told Colin the same thing too. He said he gets a damn tractor out here to pull it out, fucking crush it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Clay's uncle told him if he scratches his Cadillac, he's gonna shoot his truck with every gun he got.
Hey, at least he told your cousin the same thing. He said he's gonna pull it out the tractor and crush it.
So we gotta make sure we stay away from his Cadillac. In other words.
Yeah.
It almost made it down in here. I kind of was hitting the brakes because it, you know, without the truck running, the brakes is kind of hard. I didn't want to slam into his uncle's Cadillac, so. But it's halfway in here. That's better than what it was. So I guess we'll go ahead and try to push it the rest of the way in here. All right, we're gonna throw these new motor mounts on here.
You got a bolt or something? Oh,
yeah, I got 3 of them.
Okay, I need 2, man.
Gotta put the new motor mounts on real quick and the flex plate. And then we can stab her on in there.
So you go.
Right here.
Just like that. I get you. It's only gonna line up 2. Yep, 2 outside.
Alright, we're getting that torqued on there. Alright, we got her in there. I saved y'all all the boring stuff of bolting the transmission on and the torque converter bolts and stuff. We got the starter, everything underneath should be pretty much done. Now we just gotta get the valley cover, knock sensors, and the intake and all on. Wire it up, then exhaust, accessories, water pump. The list keeps going. Alright, we got her pretty much back together.
I think it's right one.
I ain't been recording much. We're trying to hustle on this thing and get it done, so. But we got still gotta put the headers on and the spark plugs in and the spark plug wires, and I think that's about it. Clay's hooking his battery up.
Trying to.
So I think we almost ready to start it. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this little bit of stuff out and I guess see if it'll start up.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Alright, we're trying to get this passenger side header on. We're having some difficulties. Couldn't go in through the top because this AC line is in the way, so we tried going through the wheel well and that didn't work either. So now we're just going to take this line loose and see if that'll work, hopefully. Alright, I think we're complete here.
Oh, we need to turn it over, don't we?
Yeah, we have to unplug the cold packs, turn it over and get some oil flowing, I guess. There we go.
Okay.
The battery's almost dead. You might not have it. Got any oil pressure?
Not
You need to check your oil pressure as soon as it starts. Yeah, you got oil pressure. Keep it idled at 25, if you can, at a steady idle.
I got more oil pressure than I ever had. This thing sounds fucking mean, dude.
Well, you turn it up?
Yeah, I need to try to get this bitch up.
Oh.
So you won't, smoke up his garage. I can. Maybe I have to give it a little gas.
I don't know. He probably just should have let it go at 25 until it got hot.
I don't know. Let's put a neutral back in it.
Yeah, let's try to push it back.
You didn't hear no of course I'm getting on it, but you probably hear it even more.
Yeah, you would hear some ticking. I didn't hear any ticking or nothing.
It was pretty quiet.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Alright, so it's alive. It runs. There's no there's no clanking or clinging or banging or and we do got a little oil spot that wasn't actual engine oil, that was from the power steering line we forgot to tighten, so it was leaking, but we got that tightened up. So yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see you.